So yeah, hey guys, today we are having a look at Astrum's SW400. This is a little smartwatch that these people supply in South Africa. You can see it's got optic sensors and whatever to track your movements or heart rate or whatever it's got to do with smart. Yeah, I see this one has got a blood pressure checker, whatever. So let's quickly have a look what you get when you open up the box. You know, these are basic. It's actually much more focused on sports. There's like a little pamphlet here that tells you how stuff works, or which apps to use. No, this one has got a basic app that does work on Android, and I don't know about the iPhones, but it definitely works on Android. You get this charger. This one doesn't have a magnetic charger or anything like that. It's got a little clamp. Here's the watch. Okay, so this is it's a metal finish, and that's the back side. So it's got decent sensors and stuff at the back. There's the charging pins. If you want to charge this, you'll have to clamp this to the watch. So it's not difficult. It's just you have to align the pins, and then it charges the watch. You get your bands. They also got this, what do you call it, this quick release little clips, kind of a clip. We'll put them on now. There's the other one, so let's quickly click them in. Top one, not too difficult to do. So there's the watch with its bands on. This one doesn't have buttons or anything. It's got a little touch screen here, so you press and hold. There we go, switched on. You can't touch the screen or scroll or anything like that. You have to physically press these little, I don't know if you can see it, but these little 3 dots here. So you just touch the screen, and there it gives your steps, how much you slept, heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen, weather. I think it is paired to my phone, so that's why it's already giving the weather, or it might be. Yeah, so this is basically how it works. If you want to change the watch face, you just press and hold. But I mean, you can read all of this in the menu, or it's really basic, so it's easy to figure out. That it does have a nice display, nice and clear. These are all IP, or this one is IP67 water resistant. Well, that's basically like waterproof in the old days. So I don't think it'll mind if you shower with it or anything like that. But yeah, let's quickly check here. Heart rate. If you press and hold, it'll take the heart rate. Or it's trying to see there at the back. So it's trying to check the heart rate. I'm just going to stop it. There you go. Same with the blood pressure and the blood oxygen and all that stuff. So yeah, that's basically this watch. Not much more to say about it. I think you can now definitely see how it looks and whatever. You can also switch on that tilt thing. So if you bring up your arm, or let's put it that way and bring it up, then it switches on the display. If you take it back or whatever, well, some of them it switches off again, but I think this one will go off in about 10 seconds. So on the app, I don't know if you can change the length of the. I think you can change it from 10 to 20 seconds or 15 seconds or whatever, the display, how long it should stay on. This one also, if you want to quickly turn on the display, you just tap on at the bottom of this screen. So I think that's it. It's got a nice thick silicone strap, and this one is just all black. Very nice little smartwatch. Yeah. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Yeah, we'll test it out and see how it is. Okay guys, I gave this to a person who really exercises and who really, goes through the watch's features and paces, takes the watch through its paces, uses the blood pressure, the oxygen, everything. He says with real use this battery can maybe last up to 2.5 days, but with normal use it'll probably reach the 7 days that it says on the package, up to 7 days of battery, and that is confirmed. So very nice watch. It's got a nice weight to it. Does feel comfortable on the wrist, and the only thing with this one, it's not a touch screen where you can swipe and whatever. So you have to touch this and go through the menus. It'll start the music, it'll work with the phone's music, it'll do everything you want. The app is a bit different from the other watches. I think the other watches' apps is a bit more refined, but well, I'd say for a watch that you want to exercise with and always just have with you, this one will do the job. So let's just turn this off, and that'll be the end of the story. Thanks for watching.